Should I look into the camera?
It's up to you. You can look at me elsewhere or into the camera. That's completely alright. Alright, so who are we with today?
I'm Saloni.
Saloni?
Yes.
Very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. So, Saloni, what's your relationship status?
I am in a relationship right now.
Very cool. How long has that been going on?
It's been like 4 months.
Not bad.
And an official. Before that, it was a situationship.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
Great. You just clarified the difference between situationships and relationships. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So, Saloni, tell me something like, before you got into the relationship or, the situationship, like, did anyone ghost you while you were talking to them, or did you ghost someone while hanging out with them or anything like that?
I don't think I've been ghosted anytime.
Right.
And I don't think I've ghosted anyone either.
Okay.
Like I just think lately, if people, it's not even called ghosting anymore. It's like just people get bored and they just don't reply to each other.
That's right.
So I think it's happened to me multiple times. Then I think,
Right, but
it hasn't happened where like I had real feelings or the person had real feelings and then we've ghosted.
sure.
Maybe we were just talking for a day or two and then it has happened.
That's good. And then, so while you're going out on some of these dates,
Right.
first dates, for example,
Right.
if you like the guy, what's going on in your mind? Like, what would you do to like impress the guy, if at all?
No, so I usually don't like to go on these dates. That's why, like, I'm not more of like much of a dating app person.
Right.
But when I do go out, I am feeling extremely nervous because I just try to be myself.
Sure.
Maybe dress better, dress nicely, do my hair.
Right.
Yeah, and I think I have like a good sense of fashion. Or,
Yeah. I didn't see that.
maybe geek out on fashion a little bit.
Right.
So maybe he knows that I care about something I do.
Right. And that gets his attention, and that
Yeah.
kind of fulfills your way of getting his attention.
Yeah.
Love it. I love it. So you already answered this. Like, would you rather find love online or like through friends or through like your
Through friends.
Through friends. Online's not really your thing.
Yeah.
Good. Is there like a dating trend that you've like heard of, but you don't like completely understand?
Understand.
Yeah.
Okay. I did not. I was into the hookup culture, but I don't understand it anymore. Maybe it's an age thing. Maybe that I have grown up.
Right.
But I don't think casual sex should be so casual anymore. I don't think, because people have just like done too much of it, and now it's just become something like it's so difficult to find something good. Just because everyone has taken advantage of that, where
Exactly.
you can just be like, do
Right.
whatever the fuck you want to do.
Right.
But I think now it's overused and people are just like using it because it's become so easy to find a partner and maybe fuck casually. So I don't think that should be like done so much anymore.
Correct. Maybe it should just be like a phase of everyone's life, but then you should move on from
you
that.
shouldn't be treating every other person that comes in your life the way this hookup culture works.
I see.
Yeah.
Great. And then last question before I let you go.
Yeah.
So, and again, this was again before you got into the relationship. What's like the first thing you notice in men, or rather, like the first thing you noticed in your current partner that when you met him?
Dude, we actually it was like love at first sight situation.
Wow. Okay.
But maybe eyes and hair.
Eyes and hair. Okay. And when you say love at first sight, does that mean like when you see them and they?
We saw each other and then we discussed about it with our respective friends.
Oh.
And
wow.
then after like 6-7 months later, we actually hit each other.
Amazing. Well, thanks, Saloni. This has been amazing.
What's your name?
I'm Rushabh Mehta. I'm the founder of Cusp.
Yes.
And I'll show you I've already shown you the app.
Yeah.
But I'll get your Instagram right now.
Done.
Like I said, I'll tag you on it if that's cool.